In this video Brian will talk about sports injuries.
Playing sport and doing regular exercise is good for your health, but sometimes you can injure yourself. Sports injuries can be caused by not warming up properly before exercising, using inadequate equipment, pushing yourself too hard, an accident. Some common types of sports injuries include blisters, bruises, cuts, minor head injuries, sprains and strains, swelling of a tendon. Less common but more serious types of sports injuries include broken bones, cartilage damage, ligament damage, severe head injuries. Symptoms of a sprain include pain, swelling, bruising, restricted movement in the affected area. Symptoms of a strain include pain, muscle spasm, loss of strength in the muscle. Cuts are usually minor injuries which heal quickly on their own and do not need treatment. Bruises are bluish or purple-colored patches that appear on the skin when tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, break or burst underneath it. Blisters are small, fluid-filled swellings that form in the upper layers of skin. A minor head injury often causes a bump or bruise on the head. Other symptoms may include nausea, headache, a dizzy feeling, tender bruising or mild swelling of the scalp. If you have concussion, symptoms may include brief loss of consciousness, headache, memory loss, confusion, vision disturbances, such as seeing stars. Most people fully recover. A severe head injury symptoms may include unconsciousness, difficulty staying awake, seizure, difficulty speaking, constant headache, vomiting after the injury, vision disturbance. Heel pain can happen when the thick band of tissue that runs under the sole of the foot becomes damaged. The medical name for this type of injury is plantar fasciitis. Tennis elbow is a painful condition that affects the outside of the elbow. It is caused by strenuous overuse of the muscles and tendons of the forearm and around the elbow joint. Symptoms of tennis elbow include swelling around the outer edge of the elbow, tenderness of the elbow, pain on moving the elbow. Tennis elbow is caused by repetitive movement of the muscles in the lower arm. Golfer's elbow has similar symptoms to tennis elbow. However, due to the difference in arm movement in golf, the swelling occurs on the inside of the elbow rather than the outside. Tendinitis is inflammation of a tendon. Symptoms of tendinitis include pain, swelling and redness in the injured area, restricted movement of the affected area, changed appearance. Tendinitis is a fairly common injury that can be caused by a strain or tear in tendons around the shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, thigh, knee, back of the heel. Sore shins, sometimes known as shin splints, cause pain along the shin bone. The shin bone runs down the front of the lower leg between your knee and ankle. Runner's knee is one of the most common types of knee injury. It develops when the cartilage underneath the kneecap softens or wears away, causing swelling at the back of the kneecap. Stress fractures are tiny cracks that develop in a bone as a result of repeated stresses and strains. The two most common symptoms of a stress fracture are pain and swelling. Bursitis is inflammation of a bursa, which is a small fluid-filled sac underneath the skin, usually found over the joints and between tendons and bones. Symptoms of bursitis include pain, often a dull ache in the affected body part that is made worse by movement or pressure, tenderness, swelling of the area, loss of movement. The symptoms of articular cartilage damage include swelling, joint pain, stiffness, a decreased range of movement in the affected joint. Symptoms of a broken bone include pain and swelling, bruising or discolored skin around the bone or joint, the limb or affected part of the body being bent at an unusual angle. You may also have symptoms of shock after breaking a bone, such as headache, nausea, tiredness, sweatiness. The most common type of ligament damage is a torn anterior cruciate ligament. It is one of 4 ligaments in your knee. You may hear a pop or crack at the time of your injury. Symptoms include severe pain in your knee, instability in your knee, swelling of the knee, not having the full range of movement in your knee and being unable to straighten the leg.